Wow. It's already 2015. Happy New Year's, guys. Sorry I've been kind of like busy and not really been playing a lot. It's because I kind of had to have surgery in my appendix, but it's all good. I'm perfectly fine, but I've also been playing a lot of Destiny, Assassin's Creed. So pretty much in the background, I'm working on my RuneScape rebuild since my account got hacked. You guys already know the story. But yeah, so I'm so excited for this new year. A lot of things to do. I don't know if you guys can hear the fireworks in the background, but yeah, it's been going since like 7 o'clock at night. But I just can't believe that it's been a whole year since last year. It went by so fast, like with school and everything. I'm just like really surprised. So I'm probably gonna want to build this character for all around. I'm just on to make this quick commentary, and I haven't really been playing the computer a lot because main reason I got an Xbox for Christmas. Woot woot. And yeah, I've been playing that a lot. And so if any of you viewers have Destiny for Xbox 360 or Assassin's Creed Black Flag or whatever, I'll put my gamer tag in the description, and you can go ahead and add me. And you can play some games together. Pretty much what I just want to talk about is I just want to tell you that I'm sorry for not making videos, and I just been really busy with Christmas and my friends and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, so I can't wait to get this year started. I mean, I got so much like videos I kind of want to plan, and I hope to get this character, this RuneScape character, really like high level by in about a year, or if not really soon. I know in summer the grind will be hard because nothing to do, and I might make another video tomorrow night. I just don't know how it's gonna play out, because sometimes I just randomly have friends over and it kind of just goes on like that. I just achieved level 12 range. Yeah, pretty cool, pretty strong. Just kidding. But yeah, I have been having fun here. Sorry that this video is kind of boring, I guess, because mainly it's because I haven't really been on, haven't really been continuing. I'm hoping to make another Rags to Riches, maybe on tomorrow night or something, because that's when this will be on, and I'll be on. I might be on. But expect some Gmod recordings Saturday, because I'll be playing with some of my friends on Gmod on Saturday. But sorry if it doesn't happen. Things happen. But so yeah, so comment what you guys got for Christmas below, like in the comments, because I'm curious to see what you guys got for Christmas. A lot of my friends got Destiny, they've been doing that. I just bought the DLC, playing that all the time. Thanks to my friend, he gave me Black Flag, and I've been gaming hard. Staying up to 4 like every night. But yeah, I think I'm gonna try to buy Assassin's Creed Rogue. I don't know if I have enough money anymore. Gotta check. I want Rogue, and then I might buy Unity for the PC. Do some Let's Plays. Yeah, it's gonna be a whole lot of fun. See, I kind of feel like I'm getting in over my head about this whole YouTube thing. I kind of start a series and then kind of trail off a little bit. So like mainly the whole series, the only 2 series that I have right now going are RuneScape and Minecraft. And I don't want to keep it like that. Oh, my Minecraft series, I'm not sure how far that's going to go. Maybe till we get up to full diamond. Or that's a little bit too easy. Maybe like 10. No, that's a lot. I'm not sure how far it's going to go. I'm going to talk to Blake, but I think I'm hoping to get a bunch more views and much subscribers over the next year. But yeah, so I don't know. What have you guys been up to? Just comment below. I don't know what else to say really, but I just honestly can't believe 2015 is already here. School year's almost over. Only a few more months left. Summer vacation. It happened so quickly. Like, I am not gonna lie. Like I just don't understand like how fast it went by. And but yeah, I'm glad to be back making YouTube videos again. And so I've just been chilling though at home. I had a surgery in my appendix, so I pretty much couldn't really do anything all Christmas break. Like my mom got me a kayak, and we are gonna go kayaking together. You know, spend some time together, mom and son. But then, you know, with the surgery, can't do anything outside physical. So I've pretty much just been sitting in my room playing Xbox. And not gonna lie, I'm kind of liking it, but I really miss playing, like hanging out outside, skating, that kind of stuff. I mean, like just chilling. I mean, I don't mind just sitting down outside as long as I'm outside. It's okay with me. So I'm hoping to hit like 30 range soon, because then I could kind of, I don't know if I should really PK to kind of a higher level. Because if I PK, it could either work out really good or really bad. But I got really good money making methods for beginners. I'm probably gonna make a money making video for beginners soon. Maybe tomorrow. I don't know how much time. So yeah, it's gonna be a really low level money making guide, because I am pretty much don't have a high level character anymore. I'm kinda sad about that. Oh, that's okay. Like that happens. I'm already over it. I just gotta start over again. Which I really don't mind starting over. I just don't. But yeah, so yeah, just my favorite. Also, put down in the comment what your favorite skill is. My favorite skill would probably be Slayer. Even knowing it's a member skill, I will be purchasing a membership again once I get a good enough level. To me, it doesn't seem right to purchase a membership right off the bat. Oh no, that's just me. But I don't know. I'm just gonna play it by ear. I love how I'm the only one here. Usually the spot is like packed with people. But yeah, so I guess we're gonna end the recording here. Later guys, thank you guys, have a late Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you guys for watching and being a part of my life. What was left of 2014. Thank you.